I also wonder if at some level you were always a gambler at heart. From your early days of going to sneak into the dog track, there was something about figuring out odds and probabilities and asymmetries. Can you talk about that? Because that seems to be such an essential part of your character and the way that you think. And I look at people like Howard Marks as well, who just thinks probabilistically. And I just think, oh God, is the future going to be okay? Am I going to be all right? And there's this sort of generalized worry or optimism. Whereas it seems like people like you and Howard are really calculating the odds in a very conscious, rational way.
I think the answer to your question is both. Wasn't really calculating odds at the dog track. I just liked gambling, and this was a chance to do it and have something to root for. And then I just find fun. With investing, that probably would get old very quickly. That thrill to gamble, especially when you end up losing, which I did in the dog track. But I think good investors, most good investors are always calculating the odds. Once again, at least if you're looking at stocks or security selection, you have to be able to value something and feel that your premises are right or that you've made very conservative estimates. And then if you can buy at a discount to that or at a fair price relative to that, and you love the business or something along those lines, then it becomes less of a gamble and more of a calculated risk. And so I think that's really the way you think about it. Like Ben Graham called it like speculation rather than investing. Bitcoin is never going to earn any money. Gold, never going to earn any money. So therefore, it's not earning money now. It's never going to earn any money. So to me, it's a speculation. I have no intelligent way to value it. So I'm not saying people won't make money speculating in Bitcoin or gold. It's alien to me as an investment because I can't value it. It has no inherent value. It has no earnings.
Do you own any Bitcoin or?
Sadly, no. Number one, have been wrong in the sense that I didn't think it would get to these heights. And once it's here and it becomes accepted like gold or something like that, all bets are off. I don't know. On the other hand, sticking to what you know is like a very important lesson. I don't feel bad about it. I mean, if you have other friends, I went to Wharton, so I have friends who went to Wall Street. I mean, when I graduated school, almost no one went to Wall Street. They went to consulting, whatever. Wall Street hadn't gone up in 13 years. The market hadn't gone up and not many people left. But the people who went, I talked, and I know there were friends who always told me about their winners and what they did right and everything else. And basically stop talking to those people because it's a big world out there. And of course, you're going to miss thousands of things that woulda, coulda, shoulda bought. But, if you just concentrate on the things that you're working on and they do well, that's really what you have to realize. Bitcoin, I throw in, as Warren Buffett would say, the too hard pile. Why shouldn't I look for the 1 foot hurdles? That to me is a 10-foot hurdle. I don't know how to value it. I feel disciplined that I didn't play.